It's not going to work in the profile page. It's not going to be that much work. So let's start. So first of all, we're going to start from the header because this one is active, but if I hover on it, it changes the color. Okay, I want when I hover on it to not change the color. So let me get what's color exactly, or the class name, which is active link. So I can take that, go back right here. Let me add this one for the profile, and then select dark, and then select that. When we hover on it, I want it to say light blue. So background is going to be variable, and it's going to be light blue color. Okay, I can go back right now, hover, and it's going to stay the same. So that's one thing. Also, if you go back right here, for the cover, everything is fine. But if I go to add cover menu, we're going to see that these are black and white. So I can select that, which is going to be the open cover menu. I can go right here, dot dark, and then select that, select the icons, filter, and then invert 100%. And as you see, now it's fine. So I go back right here and it's fine. So right here, everything is fine here. Here is fine. We have this SVG right here. We can change that. So I go back right here. I'm going to take the profile circle, and then dot dark dot profile circle, then the SVG inside, and then you can use fill or invert. So let me use filter. You can use whatever you want. It's not going to be a problem. Okay, let me save. So profile circle, filter. It should work. Oh, it's an icon, sorry. So we need to use the filter. I thought it was an SVG, but it was an icon, as you see right here. So that's awesome. So now the left side looks fine. Everything is the way we want. But right here, we have the button, and also we have this one. It's black, okay? And for the first of all, that's for the text. So maybe I can go select the text, which is for the gray button. Okay, so that means it's for the gray button. And that's going to affect everyone, okay? Because all of those are right here, are a gray button. And also I feel like the color is not the right background. So let me just see. So first of all, let me change the background. Let me select dark, and then select the button. Let me change the background like from secondary to BG third. And see, okay, so this is actually better. This is how I want it. So let me also change the color of it so it looks the way we want. So let me go back right here, and then I need to go back to the, what is it? Let me just remember. So we had this in the index right here. Okay, so this is the index. So we already defined like the blue, light blue, and the gray button, which is similar. So right here for the color, we defined like a fixed color. So maybe right here we can choose like color primary. Okay, that's gonna be black in the light mode, and it's gonna be white in the dark mode. Okay, so this is actually looking way better. And also, like when I hover, it doesn't do anything. So maybe we can add a hover effect. Let me close the index right here, go back to the dark mode. I can take that, and in the hover, sorry. Okay, sorry, hover, and then we can change the background. So something light, like, let me see, 777. Let me go and see. Okay, it's really not bad, you know. I feel like it's alright. If you wanna like change it, you can do that. Maybe you don't want to do it right here. So let me just go right here and open another profile, because we're gonna have like the add to friend and friends and all the other buttons. So let me open that. Okay, so this is a gray button, I believe, or not. Let me just see. Okay, this is actually a gray button. So one thing right here also, which we're gonna change like the image. Okay, so let me go back right here. So the icon and the image should be white. So I can select the dark, and then select the gray button, and then select the icon, and also select the image, and just use filter, and then invert also 100%, like that. Okay, so this is how I actually want it. Okay, so now if you hover on it, it's still fine. I go back right here, and this is how it actually should look. It's actually pretty nice. Okay, maybe you can add an hover effect for the follow if you want, but right here it's fine. Let me accept him. So now we're friends. Okay, yeah, we can unfriend. Okay, so good things that I've done that. Okay, so now if I friend, everything is fine. I go right here. You see, when you accept him or something, it's gonna be that problem. So let me just go to someone who is my friend. Okay, let me go right here, like for this one. And if I go to friends, the menu is like this. Also, we have a problem for this size. This should be like from the bottom 0. Okay. Yeah, so let me fix that first. Like when we work on something and you find like we have another problem. So let me just compare it with this. So this one is 0, which is right. But this one is not right, because maybe the gray button, that's this one, is not relative. So let me go back right here. This is gonna be in the, what is it? So it's gonna be friendship, I believe. Okay, so it's gonna be in the styles right here. I don't have it. So let me just add it anywhere. And add position to be relative, like that. Go back right here. Okay, so that's actually how you want it. So now it's fixed. It should be like there. And now let me select the menu, the whole menu, which is gonna be open cover menu. Okay, which is we worked on, but probably those are images. So let me see. Yeah, these are images. So we can fix that. Let me close that. Go back to the dark. So we worked on the open menu for this one, for the icon, but also want to do it for the SVG. Okay, like that. Oh, sorry, not the SVG, the image. Like that. So let me go back right here. So this is the image. Why it didn't change? Okay, not this right here. So let me save again. Let me go back right here, and now it's fixed. So as you see, the menu now is fixed. Okay, we need to close outside. Yeah, everything is fine. It's actually pretty nice. So that's all for this friendship. So from the top, everything looks alright. So not much left. So this one should be also white. This one also white. So you can select them all, and we're gonna see what left. Okay. So I can go to dark and then select the profile container, which is the div that house everything. Container, and then select all SVGs. Okay, and maybe I can go like, I don't know, filter, and then like invert like 90%, 88. I'm just like trying something. Okay, as you see, yeah, it's fine. Everything looks fine now. Maybe for this one, it's a bit like, it should be more white, you know. So I can select that, the grid icon. Go back right there. I'm just too specific, as I always tell you. Okay. Maybe like filter, and then invert 90%, or maybe just 80. You want to still make it like close to the color. Yeah, like that. Let me close that. So I feel like it's alright. It's gonna be up to you. We can play with these values. It's not like fixed. So everything is done right here. Okay, so now let's see the pop-ups, okay, which is very important also. I can start from here, select photo, everything is fine right here, so there is no problem. I can click also to change like whatever I want from the cover, and as you see, it's still fine. Also, this one is nice, I like it. Click cancel to cancel, everything is still fine. If you go now to the profile picture, also this is all fine, but when you want to upload like a photo or something, okay, so these few things that we need to change. So let's select all the icons and then change them. So let me start with those two. So they're gonna be in the slider. So I can select the slider, and right here, the dark. Let me close this. It's annoying. And then we can select every single icon, use the filter, invert 100%, and let's see. Okay. Can also select this one, which is the public icon. That's going to be inside Flex T app or something, I don't know. So dot dark, dot that, dot the icon. Let me get the invert right here. Okay. So let's see. Everything is fine. You can write right here. Yeah, everything seems fine. So what's left? So let me close that. I don't know, let me just close that. I didn't open the click outside. Yeah, you do it yourself. I'm not gonna do everything. You know, I forgot that you do it, so it's fine. So let me just see. We're gonna go now to the edit details. We done that? Yeah, we done this for this at least. So right here, we have everything here. And as you see all the informations that we have in the account, if you want to change it, you click on it and you're gonna see it right here. And you can change it and everything still right here. Okay, fine. So cancel. Yeah, so I feel like the profile, everything is done. The profile, if anything is left, you just gotta finish it yourself, okay? Because for me it looks fantastic. Now let's go to the friends page, Okay, and it's also going to be finished automatically. You don't need to do nothing right here, okay? And as you see, this is the menu. You can go through everything right here, and everything looks all right. And that's it. So the last thing we need to check is going to be the reset password page, which is going to be fine, I promise you. So we're going to log out, go to the forgotten password. You can like search for something. Okay, we're going to have the validation. You can select an email that doesn't exist, also going to be the same. You can go for something that does exist, and then you can search and you're going to find it. You can click continue. You're going to get the code, you can paste it and continue and do everything you want without any problem. So everything is finished. So that's all. If anything left, you can do it for yourself. And the size now, as I told you, finished. Now we're going to work on the logic. That means I can click a button and switch between the light mode and dark mode, and also see if it's in the cookies. So when I refresh, okay, it's going to be always there. And that's one of the good things that we can do. So see you there.